Today I want to talk to you about modern cars seem to have forgotten character. Because if you look at the roads today, everything seems to be getting bigger. Bigger screens, bigger wheels, bigger touchscreens, bigger price tags, and somehow less personality. Then you come across something like the Fiat Panda 4x4. I mean, look at it. It looks like somebody drew it with a ruler during their lunch break. No aggressive headlights, no fake air vents, and no giant grill trying to eat pedestrians. Just a box. And somehow, it's beautiful because every line has a purpose. And that's what I think made these little cars special. The Fiat Panda, the Peugeot 205, the Uno, and other little hatchbacks made from within the 80s to the 90s. They weren't trying to be luxury cars. They weren't trying to be smartphones on wheels. They were honest. You could hear the engine, you could feel the gearbox, and you knew exactly what the car was doing underneath you. And every manufacturer had a different personality. The Peugeot felt French. The Fiat felt Italian. You could almost hear the country that made it. They weren't perfect. They rattled and shook, but every little scratch felt like a new chapter in the book. Now, don't get me wrong, modern cars are faster, safer, more comfortable. But sometimes I wonder, were they memorable? Because 30 years later, people still stop and smile at a Fiat Panda. And I think that's because nobody remembers perfection. People remember personality. And that's it for this video. And I hope this video made you feel something about the olden cars and what was great about them. Keep safe and stay tuned in for the next video about cars and any history about cars and anything interesting about cars you want to know. I'm the guy. And I'm going to be making many videos about the comparison in cars, the olden ones and the modern cars, but more about the characters of the cars and the personality that cars used to have that now seems to be dying out. Peace out.